Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in one of Cohasset's most exclusive neighborhoods? Well, today I'm going to take you inside the estates at Cohasset, where coastal charm meets luxury living. If you've been thinking about moving to Cohasset, Massachusetts, the estates at Cohasset is a neighborhood you have to know about. In this video, we're going to take a driving tour through the neighborhood, talk about some of the houses, when they were built, what some of the price points are, and just give you a very good idea as to what the neighborhood really looks like. And by the way, my name is Sean Murphy with Living on the South Shore and Real, and I specialize in helping people just like you find their new home. Whether you're a buyer that already lives in Massachusetts or you're thinking of relocating to the South Shore, this is what I specialize in. So make sure, if you have any questions at any point, comment below the video, or you can get all my contact info there as well. You can text me or send me an email. And don't forget, download my relocation guide to the South Shore. That is pinned in the comments below. But without further ado, let's get into the estates at Cohasset. All right, first thing that we always do is just show you where Cohasset is on a map. You can see Boston top left there. So Cohasset is right next to Scituate and Hingham and parts of Hull. Now here's a zoomed in picture of Cohasset, red pin being downtown Cohasset, green pin being the neighborhood that we're talking about, the estates at Cohasset. Now, as we zoom in on this beautiful satellite image, this was clearly taken back in probably 2014, 2015, when a lot of these homes were getting built. Now, this whole development is built by the Toll brothers. You can see some homes being fully finished and a lot of homes still being under construction and some lots not even being built on just yet. Right here we're turning into the neighborhood. So this is Walnut Hill Lane, and we turned into this neighborhood off of Beechwood Street. But you can see trees have all matured. They did a really good job with this entrance into the neighborhood. Now this neighborhood is full of families. You can see that guy gave me a nice friendly wave. I don't know him, but people around here, and especially in this town, this neighborhood, very, very friendly. Now we're making a left here on Hemlock Way. 41 homes in total were built in this development. There are 42 in total in the neighborhood, as there was one that they kept that was already here. Most likely it was the one that sold the land to the Toll brothers. Couple of lots. You saw one right here on the right that can't be developed. But these are all beautiful homes, and they range from 2 bedrooms all the way up to 4-bedroom homes. This house right here, as of the recording of this video, is contingent right now. It was listed at $2.35 million, which is pretty incredible because when these homes were originally sold, they were going mostly in the 900 to low 1 million range. So to have that much appreciation over the course of 7 to 8 years is pretty incredible. But we're coming back down to Walnut Hill Lane. We're on Hemlock Way right now. If you go straight across, that actually goes to another lower section of the neighborhood, Orchard Drive. But we're going to turn left back onto Walnut Hill Lane and show you this other part of the neighborhood. But I'm going through here at about 10 o'clock on a Wednesday morning, so it's pretty quiet. The weekends, though, you will see kids riding their bikes. They're all going to each other's houses. Some of these homes do have pools in the backyard, so it's a very active, family-friendly neighborhood. And again, beautifully done. The homes are all very well built, and they planted a ton of trees, and these are just going to keep growing and maturing and giving the neighborhood just a whole different feel, 10 years from now. So we're coming to the end of Hickory Circle here. Now, you will notice there's a little road, not this driveway, but this road right here used to be another outlet onto 3A. They have since blocked that off because they were getting a lot of through traffic. People were cutting through the neighborhood going way too fast, so they cut that road off. But this location, to me, is a really, really good location in the town of Cohasset. You're right off of 3A, so some of the homes that back up to it, you might hear some noise from 3A, but it's not a main highway anymore. But you're right near 3A for commuting purposes. You're close to downtown. If you make the left out of the neighborhood and go down Beechwood, you're to downtown Cohasset in 5 minutes. But you're right across from Shaw's. You're right across from a lot of very good amenities with stores, grocery stores, etc. I absolutely love this neighborhood. Houses do not come off that often, so if this is something that you're interested in, keep your eye on it, let me know, and I can always put some feelers out for you. But as we get to the close of this tour here, thank you as always for watching. Please let me know if there's anything I can help you with, and don't forget to download that relocation guide to the South Shore that is going to be in the pinned comment below this video. But again, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.